Start recording. Okay, so welcome everyone and welcome back to the 21st day of learning DSA with me. So I took a break from I guess 3, 4, 5. I took a break of at least 5 days of learning DSA and I was focusing on development that side because I had the project that I got. So in this video, or we can say today, we are going to brush up the skills. I guess today there will be about two topics. I learned today is Tuesday, so yesterday I pushed the commit which was on the binary search. So today I also am going to do the binary search questions, and I will make sure that today I will complete all the binary search questions which are available, and push the code, and also post the YouTube video. But in this video I will be doing some what we can say, I will be doing some revisions about Python and so on and so forth. Okay, so yeah, Python, like making variables and everything, because it needs to be brush up, right? Because we are learning a new programming language and it is very much required to brush up the skills. So we are going to do that. Let's open VS Studio Code right now over here. I hope you guys are doing great as well. So yeah, 2021. Let me make sure that there is one more thing. Let's make this full screen, and over here in this one I'm going to make one more folder which is day 21, and over here I will be doing create a new branch day 21, and then I will be making main.py later, and then this one. Okay, so let's start with something. So let's open our Chrome browser and let's search for some Python tutorials, or not tutorials, let's see some basic, or we can say quizzes. Python program, or we can say simple questions. Mm, Okay, so here we have that. So write a program to print the odd or even number, write a program to find the positive or the negative number, then we have a program to find the sum of two numbers. It is very much simple, and that's what we are going to do. Let's brush up, guys, let's brush up. So what we will do is we will be creating num1 which will store something, so it will store it in an integer type, right? So input integer, I guess, and then no, not this integer, and then input and what you want to say. So enter first number, like this. I will duplicate this. I will say second number, second, second number, and then num2, and after that I will print num1 plus num2. That's it. So the sum, we can also say over here, the sum is like this. Yeah, like this, and we can do this, or also we can do this. Okay, anything is available. And now if I do the I will be prompted as enter the first number, so I will say 2 2, and I got the sum which is 4 over here. So this is how you print the first and the second number inside this particular, what we can say, program, and in Python as well. Now let's talk about something. Write a program to find or if the given number is prime or not. We can use the flag method over here, and we will say that if it is divisible in the range, and that's what we are going to do. Okay, so this was for calculate the sum. Okay, now let's talk about find prime or not. So what are we going to do over here? It is very much simple. We are going to first take the integer from the user. So num is going to be, let's grab this, and enter number we are going to say over here. Once we enter the number, we are going to say that if the number is greater than 1, which means it is not 0, it is greater than 0, right? If it is greater than 0, then we are going to check in from the range, in from the loop where it is going to start from 2, because 1 can be divisible, 2 cannot be divisible. So 2 till the num that we are looking for, and if the num is percentage I, which is then equal to 0, if it is that, then the flag is going to be true. Now I will be creating a flag variable over here. Initially it will be false, and once we get it, so we will say that okay, that the particular thing is true. And now we are going to end this loop, we are going to come behind, and we are going to say that if flag is true, means that the if flag variable is true. We can easily say this: if it is true, then print the number, or we can say number is not a prime. And then I will just duplicate this, I will just go over here, I'll go behind, I will go and say number is prime. Get there, get there. Let's go, let's go. I don't think we need to do this, but yeah, let's off it. Enter number, which is 2. 2 is prime number. Let's do one more. 4 is not a prime. 5 is a prime. 6 6 That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. So this was the video of brushing up these skills whenever we are doing anything, like particularly which is based upon this one, like basic questions, right? Now for an example, if we take one more question, which is one minute. Yeah, sorry for that, I just went to do some important work. Let's grab this. Find the largest element in array. So how do you write array? Let's understand how do you write arrays. So array is written like this. 19. Okay, so this is our array and we are going to check. So how you check over here? Initially we take the largest element and we check it. Okay, and we check if the largest element is having that, then we are going to store that element, and that's how you do it. Okay, so let's define a function. Similarly, function name is find largest, which will take the array, it will take the size, and it will do the work. Okay, over here we will be having the largest, which is integer minimum, or we can say 0. Then we are going to start a loop from we are going to start a loop from 0 to 10, or we can say till the size. So for I in range, which is equal to 0 to this to the size. So how can you get the size? Size is equal to length function of the array till the size. Okay, once you get that, then you're going to say that if, then you're going to say if the ARR of I if it is greater if it is greater than the front value, like 1 2 3 4, like that, like that. If it is greater, then go. If it is greater, then go. Then we are going to return the largest value. Find largest array. Yeah, don't need to give size over here. Output output. Output. Let's run the code. 19. So 19 is the largest value which we are getting over here. Now if I do this, I will get this one. Okay, now if I do this, I will get 211. So this is how you find the largest element inside the array, and this array is the one, or we can say this program helps us to find the largest element. Now I did this without looking in any notebook or without looking in any program, because I know the code that I already had learned earlier. That's the reason. It was just some syntactical error that I got, but it was okay. Okay, thanks for watching, and we will be continuing now. What let me show you, what is left. Let's open this. Let's open this. Yeah. Let's solve this. I know it goes pretty much. Frame rates drop. Search in a rotated array. Yeah, this is done. Yeah, so today we are going to do binary search top interview problem. This is today's goal. So today we are going to see top binary search interview problems, book allocation, painter partition, ship package, this one, and then we are left with only 2 videos are left. Then we are done with binary search, and then we will move forward with various algorithms, various metrics and everything. Okay, that's going to be our main thing. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will be posting this 3 sums today only. So let's hope for the best. Okay, thank you.